Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about ketogenic diet, also known as the keto diet, functions and what it can do for your health. This diet has rapidly gained traction for its potential benefits in weight loss and overall health. At its core, the ketogenic diet is characterized by a high-fat, low-carbohydrate and moderate protein intake. This unique dietary approach drastically reduces carbohydrate intake, typically to less than 50 grams per day. Now, you might be wondering what happens next. Well, this significant reduction in carbs causes the body to enter a metabolic state known as ketosis. In this state, the liver starts producing ketone bodies from stored fat. These ketone bodies then act as an alternative fuel source for the brain and body. The primary dietary sources of calories in a ketogenic diet include healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, oils, butter, and fatty cuts of meat, while carbohydrate-rich foods are restricted. So, how does this diet affect your health? Let's delve deeper. The ketogenic diet is not just about weight loss. It has been linked to various health benefits. The diet's efficacy has been demonstrated in numerous health conditions, including weight loss, epilepsy, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. Even neurological disorders like Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease have shown promising response to this diet. Several studies indicate that the ketogenic diet can lead to significant weight loss, especially in individuals grappling with obesity and metabolic syndrome. It's not only about shedding pounds though. The diet may improve markers of cardiovascular health, such as blood lipid profiles and blood pressure. Moreover, the ketogenic diet has been used as an adjunct therapy for drug-resistant epilepsy, with some patients experiencing a reduction in seizure frequency and severity. Interesting, isn't it? But how does this diet work at a cellular level? Let's find out. At its core, the ketogenic diet changes how your body uses energy. Instead of relying on glucose from carbohydrates, your body shifts to burning fat for fuel. This metabolic state is called ketosis. In this state, your liver takes the front seat, transforming fat into ketone bodies. These ketones are not your ordinary fuel. They are high octane, providing more energy than glucose. But the magic doesn't stop there. These ketone bodies also have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to calm the storm in conditions like arthritis and asthma. And there's more. Ketosis may give your cellular powerhouses, the mitochondria, a boost. This could enhance your energy levels and overall vitality. And remember, insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar? Well, ketosis may improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body regulate blood sugar more effectively. This can be particularly beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes. Now that we know how it works, how can you implement the ketogenic diet effectively? Implementing the ketogenic diet requires careful planning and monitoring. This is not a one-size-fits-all approach, and it's essential to understand that what works for one person may not work for another. Those with medical conditions, particularly liver, pancreatic, or kidney diseases, need to be especially cautious, as the diet could potentially exacerbate these conditions. And while it's true that the ketogenic diet has shown promise in managing certain health conditions, adherence can be challenging. The drastic reduction in carbohydrate intake can lead to symptoms like fatigue, headache, and irritability, commonly known as the keto flu. This is where the support of healthcare professionals becomes indispensable. A registered dietitian can help tailor the diet to your specific needs, ensuring that you're getting the necessary nutrients while following the keto plan. So, as you consider this diet, remember to focus on including healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Remember, the ketogenic diet is a tool for health, but it may not suit everyone. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making drastic changes to your diet.